Welcome to Rock Your Fashion. Can we talk about something I've been noticing? So many gorgeous petite women over 40 are wearing tops that actually make them look shorter, wider, or just less polished than they deserve. And it's not your fault. These pieces are everywhere in stores. That's why today I'm breaking down 8 tops you'll want to avoid if you're short, and showing you what to wear instead so you look taller, leaner, and more elegant instantly. And trust me, when we get to number 4, you'll understand why your favorite neckline might be sabotaging your proportions without you even realizing it. Let's start. Top number 1. Oversized boxy sweaters that swallow your frame. Okay, can I just say something about those super oversized boxy sweaters? I totally get why we're drawn to them. They look so cozy and comfortable. But here's the thing. When you are short, these sweaters can kind of swallow you up instead of making you look effortlessly chic. I've been in fitting rooms with friends trying these on, and it's like watching them disappear into the fabric. The sweater just hangs straight down from the shoulders and suddenly all those beautiful curves are gone. It's not that you look bad, it's just that you're not looking like the amazing woman you are. The trick is finding sweaters that still feel comfortable, but acknowledge that you have a gorgeous figure. Look for styles with just a little waist definition, maybe some subtle seaming or a gentle taper. You'll still get that cozy feeling, but you'll look so much more put together and intentional. Trust me, the difference is incredible. Top number 2, long tunic tops that cut your legs in half. Oh, honey, let's talk about those long tunic tops for a second. I know they feel safe and comfortable, but they're actually playing a little trick on your proportions that's not doing you any favors. When a tunic hits around mid-thigh or lower, it creates this line that basically cuts your legs in half visually. So instead of seeing your gorgeous long legs, people see a lot of top and not much leg. It's like the tunic is announcing that your legs are shorter than they actually are. Here's what I've learned works so much better. Tops that hit right around your hip bone or just below. This is like the magic length for short women. You still get coverage and comfort, but now your legs look miles long. If you love that flowy tunic feeling, try styles with cute side slits or maybe an asymmetrical hem. You get the best of both worlds, comfort and amazing proportions. Top number 3. Baggy button-down shirts that make you look sloppy. Let's chat about button-down shirts because I see this mistake everywhere. There's this idea that bigger equals more flattering, but with button-downs that's just not true. When they're too baggy, you end up looking like you borrowed someone else's shirt instead of looking polished and put together. The biggest issue is when the shoulders don't fit right. When those shoulder seams are falling down your arms, the whole shirt just looks wrong. It's like the foundation is off, so nothing else works right either. But here's the good news. When you find a button-down that fits properly through the shoulders, magic happens. Try doing a little French tuck at the front, or look for shirts with just a hint of waist shaping. Suddenly you look so polished and intentional. It's amazing what proper fit can do for your whole look. Top number 4. Low necklines that destroy your proportions. Can I share something I've noticed about super low necklines? While they can look stunning on taller women, on us, short ladies, they can actually work against our proportions in a sneaky way. When you're already working with a shorter torso, a really low neckline kind of cuts that torso in half, creating these 2 short sections instead of one elegant line. You're gorgeous either way. But those super low necklines can break up your proportions instead of creating that long, elegant line. I've found that V-necks that hit about 2 to 3 inches below your collarbone are absolutely perfect. They're still flattering and feminine, but they create these gorgeous vertical lines that make you look taller and more elegant. Boat necks and classic crew necks work beautifully too. It's all about creating those clean, elongating lines that celebrate your natural beauty. Now, if you're loving these tips so far, would you do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button? I share styling secrets like these every week, and I'd love to keep helping you look and feel absolutely amazing. Top number 5. Horizontal stripe tops that make you look wider. Okay, let's have an honest conversation about horizontal stripes. I'm not here to tell you to never wear them, but I do want to share why they can be a bit tricky for us shorter ladies. Those bold horizontal stripes basically draw the eye across your body instead of up and down. So instead of creating length, they're creating width. It's like an optical illusion that's working against us instead of with us. But here's the thing. If you love stripes, you don't have to give them up. Try vertical stripes, or look for really subtle horizontal stripes that create texture without being too bold. You can also try diagonal stripes or mixed patterns that are more interesting and flattering. The goal is finding patterns that make you feel gorgeous and confident. Top number 6. Tops with overwhelming prints that wear you. I need to talk about print sizes for a minute. You know how sometimes you try on a top with a gorgeous print, but somehow it just doesn't look right? Often it's because the print is scaled for taller bodies, so on our short frames, it can feel a bit overwhelming. When the print is too big, it's like the pattern is wearing you instead of you wearing the pattern with confidence. Those huge florals that look amazing on a tall woman can sometimes look like upholstery fabric on us shorter ladies. The solution is finding prints that are sized just right for your frame. Smaller florals, delicate patterns, medium-sized prints. These all work so beautifully. You can also try prints with some vertical elements or subtle tonal patterns. When the scale is right, you look intentional and put together, like you really know what you're doing with fashion. Top number 7. Cropped tops that hit at the wrong spot. Here's the little secret about cropped tops. It's not just wearing them, it's where they land. If they cut off too high right under the rib cage, instead of lengthening your legs, they actually make them look shorter. And we're not here for that. But when a crop top hits right at your natural waistline, or just above your hip bone, that's when the magic happens. Especially when you pair it with high-waisted bottoms. Suddenly you've got these gorgeous long legs and this perfectly proportioned silhouette. It's all about creating that high-waisted look that makes your legs go on for days. And the best part? It still feels age-appropriate and chic. You get to show a little skin in a sophisticated way that's totally flattering. Top number 8. Bulky turtlenecks that add unnecessary volume. Finally, let's talk about turtlenecks because I have such mixed feelings about them. I love the elegance and sophistication of a good turtleneck, but those really thick, chunky ones can be a bit much for our petite frames. When there's too much bulk around the neck area, it can make your neck look shorter and your upper body look heavier. It's not that you look bad, it's just not the most flattering proportion for us shorter ladies. But thin, fitted turtlenecks? Those are absolutely gorgeous. Look for fine merino wool, silk blends, or quality cotton knits. You get all that sophisticated elegance without any of the bulk. Mock necks and high crew necks work beautifully too. It's all about getting that refined look without overwhelming your frame. Listen, these aren't rules you have to follow. They're just friendly suggestions to help you feel amazing in your clothes. The most important thing is that you feel confident and comfortable in whatever you're wearing. I hope these tips help you see your tops in a new way. When you choose styles that work with your beautiful proportions, you'll feel more confident and look more polished. And honestly, that confidence is the most beautiful thing you can wear. Which of these tips surprised you the most? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. And if this helped you think about your wardrobe differently, please give this a thumbs up and hit subscribe. I'm here every week sharing more tips to help you look and feel absolutely incredible. Remember, you're gorgeous just as you are. These tips are just about helping you shine even brighter. Until next time, take care, stay confident, and never forget, elegance has no age limit.